In about 80% of static dissipating hoses on the market, charge buildup can overload and exceed the ratings of the hose. This creates use, safety, and shock concerns. The Kuriyama Voltbuster hose is designed to keep you safer than any other static dissipating hose on the market. In high static generating applications, you need something that's better. Traditionally, the only alternative was to go to a metal hose, which can be heavy and difficult to work with. Kuriyama set out to develop the Voltbuster series of products that could work in any situation, regardless of the static charge. The product Kuriyama developed is the Voltbuster. It has a food-grade polyurethane tube supported by an abrasion-resistant PVC helix. The Voltbuster's been tested to have a charge decay constant of less than 1 second. This means you can handle any situation, any level of charge generation, and static cannot build on the hose when properly grounded. It's extremely safe in all situations, designed for powders, plastic pellets, food-grade materials, and other granular materials that build up a static charge when transferred through a hose. Pause and enlarge if you need to review the data. The Voltbuster hose comes as 2 versions. The top one is standard polyurethane. The bottom one is a reinforced polyurethane. The smaller sizes are designed for internal plant material transfer. Larger sizes, 4 inches and up, are for railcar unloading and truck unloading. Abrasion-resistant polyurethane is generally more abrasion-resistant than PVC and has been determined to last about 3 to 4 times as long in the field. For quick quotes on assemblies, email the support team at murdochindustrial.com. For instant pricing on bulk hose and fittings, visit hosewarehouse.com. Our toll-free number is 800-426-5273. We look forward to working with you.